Here we are going to discuss the default constraint. Default constraints provides a default value for a column when the no value is specified or mentioned. This is your table and we are going to apply default constraint on hire date column. Let's say when no value is provided, we want to put default value as 2001 1. So it's 1st January 2000. Now let's see the syntax for this. This is syntax for creating staff member table, and earlier we work on these 3 columns and also we work on the Saturday. Now we are going to work on the hire date column. So once you write your name of your column, then you mention what kind of data type it has, and after that you write the default keyword, and then you write the value, then you write your default value here. So our default value is 200101. So once table is created with this default constraint and the no value is provided, then it will insert here 2000 January 1 or 1 January 2000. I think that's all for this slide. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.